Good morning and welcome to week 2 for my ALAR class, 7th grade. This is Tuesday, August 25th, A day. Yes, A day. Okay, so today we are going to review the somebody wanted but so then strategy. We are going to do a warm-up and a heart map in our notebook. We are going to learn about and write about ways to describe ourselves, and we are going to look at a poem, and then finally you are going to write your own original poem. So remember, if you did not show up today for class, you need to go to the Google form and click here, and it'll show up for you, and you need to submit that so you can be counted present. Today's learning targets. I can write a summary for thank you, ma'am, using the somebody wanted but so then strategy. I can analyze a poem and use it as a model to write my own original I am poem. Summary checkpoint. This is where we will go to a Google Classroom and look at a summary to make sure you have done it right. And actually, I'll just create a Google Doc to show you how to write it. Okay, so if we're talking about thank you, ma'am, somebody. Somebody is Roger. What did Roger want? He wanted a pair of blue suede shoes. But there was a problem. He couldn't afford them, but he didn't have any money. So then what happened? So then he tried to steal a purse from a woman. And then what happened? Somebody is Roger, wanted blue suede shoes, but he didn't have any money. Roger wanted a pair of blue suede shoes, but he didn't have any money, so he tried to steal a purse from a woman. Then the woman treated him kindly, and gave him $10 to buy the shoes. Okay, you will observe that this summary is very short. It's small. It uses the somebody wanted but so then strategy. It covers the most important details of the story. It goes from beginning, middle, and end. And therefore, writing a summary is supposed to be a short, simple process. Now, if you're writing a lot, you're not doing it correctly. You've written too much, too many details. So make sure that you write a short summary. Now going back to our presentation and our lesson today, after we did that, we talked about creating a heart map in your notebook, and I'm reminding students that we have 2 sections in your notebook. One is called warm-ups. The other section is called classwork. You can expect that every day we're going to have a warm-up, and every day you're going to do something in your notebook for classwork. Now today, for classwork, so for your warm-up, you had to make a heart map. So the first thing we did was start off with a big heart, and it's titled My Heart Map. Students had time today to create a heart map. And inside the heart map, they wrote a list of things they loved, people they loved, places they loved. These are some more examples to help you. And in class today, we shared out. We broke up, some classes broke out into sessions, groups, and shared out. For the second assignment, you had to go into your classwork section and title that activity, Describe Yourself. Describe yourself on August 25th. Your job was to come up with adjectives that describe you as a student, as a son or daughter, as a friend, and then you get to choose one more category that you consider yourself as. Here is an example. As a student, determined, smart, confused, lifelong learner. As a son or daughter, loving, argumentative, opinionated. As a friend, loyal, patient, fun. As a reader, voracious, I want to read it all. Open-minded, I will try anything. And passionate, love to read. In your notebook section, you should have this assignment done and ready. And by the way, I'm going to be doing notebook checks, and I'll just say, turn to August 25th, describe yourself. And if you have it, 100. If you don't have it, 0. So you do want to keep up with these assignments. Then we had a stretch break, and then we read this poem. And I'm going to go there with you. If you need the password to get in, here it is. You will click in I am a student. This takes us directly there. And the reason why it's awesome here is because it reads to us. The speaker reads the poem for us. This poem is asking the question, if there are things about myself that change, am I still the same person? And that is up to you. What do you think the answer is? After we read that poem, we introduced the assignment as the I am poem. I will show you a template of how it will look when you're done. This is the I am poem template. You will have a Google Doc and Google Classroom, and you will type out all of these things. I am, I wonder if, I hear, I see, I want. And then this line, I am, it repeats several times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that's an important line of the poem, something we really want to stand out for the reader. What do you want them to know the most about you? Or how do you feel strongly about yourself? I am a student first, or I am a musician, or I am Mrs. Zeal, a great teacher. I mean, whatever you want, you can put that there, but that line's going to repeat, and I wanted you to see that. So if we go back into the classroom, I should be able to show you. I'm going to show you where assignment is. So go to either period 3 or 5. Let's go to period 3. In your classwork section, you will see week 2, and everything has been organized for you. The lesson is here. I'm going to put the video before the lesson after I'm done recording it. Then the poem, then the assignment. Okay, so you click on the assignment, and it has instructions. Complete this poem and turn it in. Be sure to delete the lines after you are done so it will read better. And you click on that. Every student has their own copy, so you do not need to make a copy. And here's the poem. So let me just say, if the first line is I am an athlete, a sister, a friend. When you're done with that line, I want you guys to delete that. That way it's not on there. So, and you keep going. You fill it out and delete the line, fill it out and delete the line. And then where it says I am, same as first, you can copy that line. You can go up here, copy it, highlight it, copy it, and then paste it right here. And it repeats. I am an athlete, sister, a friend. So that's how you do this assignment. It shouldn't take you very long, but you should do a great job on it and it will be graded. So I'm going to erase all my edits. And there you go. This is your assignment for today. Go into Google Classroom. Remember, everything is there for you under classwork. And that concludes the lesson for August 25th. This is the same lesson for tomorrow. I have other classes on B-Day. I'm going to post this recording for you guys as well. So this lesson is for the 25th and 26th of August. And good luck on your poems. I can't wait to read them. And to always message me if you have any questions. Bye.